If your Spectrum modem isn't connecting after a reset, whether it's a power cycle or factory reset, it's likely due to a need for reprovisioning and syncing. A reset clears the modem's cache and requires it to reestablish a connection with Spectrum's network. Reprovisioning involves re-registering the modem with Spectrum servers to authenticate and assign a new IP address. Without this, the network might deny access. Syncing refers to the modem properly synchronizing its signal with Spectrum's central office, aligning downstream data from network to modem and upstream data from modem to network. Outdated equipment, firmware issues, or signal interference can cause failure to reconnect. First, unplug your modem for 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnect it. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the downstream-upstream lights to sync. Check the modem's status page, usually via 192.168.100.1, to see if an IP address has been assigned. If not, use the Spectrum app, which now features AI-enhanced troubleshooting, to diagnose and initiate reprovisioning. Ensure your coaxial cables are tightly connected and not damaged. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support to force a remote reprovision. For advanced troubleshooting, check signal levels. Downstream should be 0 to 10 dB in V with an SNR above 30 dB, and upstream power levels typically range from 40 to 50 dB min/vor. Consider upgrading to a DOCSIS 3.1 or higher modem for better compatibility and stability.